guys, well, we're going to go £3 or £4 in the Rocky down carousel, and maybe £3 in that party time actually, because I'm still 20-25 quid down on that. But it was actually quite a lucky escape, but it was 60 or 70 at one point getting on. Right, quick lucky 3 in here. My mate put 20 quid in the Rainbow a few evenings ago. I'm going to put another 2 in that one in a second.
Off we go.
Bloody hell, this has been played loads since then. What the hell's going on with this game suddenly for some reason? It came out at 296. My mate had it a few days ago because he told me. He'd been a day or two in between anyway, from me seeing him and him getting it, whatever. He put 20 quid in, got that. So that's gone up to that. It was on 252 a couple of days ago. That's a shame, wasn't it? That's the right. Had a right old rasheroonie, isn't he? Hang on. It's looking a little bit silly, to be fair. Oh, it was one down. This is going to give it in a second roast. It's just given one. That's what I reckon I'm putting £3 in then, because of that. Probably disappear up their own backside now, not see them again. Oh, no! It's taking the piss, isn't it? I think that was a shame, wasn't it? Anyway, so I had to move around in here. We can do a thing when they're shut one morning. We're going to come in and do a little tour thing. So we're putting a couple of quid in here because this is the one I was down a bit on. I had quite a good play though for the money. It gave me a couple of jackpots up the top in the end. Never held after nudges for, yeah, I think maybe a £5. That was all. Right, that'll do for you, and that's about 15-20 quid lost. Oh, no, it's not the extra nudge view. Come on then. Let's put £1 more in it, because we've got to win then. And my ankle, I've done something to that and I don't quite know what, so that one's hurting quite a bit. We're doing the Warrior Walk for the last £1. I might have got some more change actually, but I'll have that for the shop. The Warrior Walk to Rocky. He hasn't even got another bloody... Oh, finger in the way, naughty thumb. Hang on guys, I'm just extending the video. It'll probably alarm before I fucking get these tens and that in here. Okay, last chance saloon. Here we go. I had a couple of chances just now, didn't it? The bastard. Goodbye, over and out. Speak to you all soon. Welcome to new subscribers, and goodbye to the ones that, odd one that was unsubscribed. See you later.